Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given a shopkeeper bought a washing machine at the discount of 20% from the wholesaler. The printed price of that washing machine is 18,000 rupees. So write down the printed price, which is 18,000, and the shopkeeper sells it to the consumer at the discount of 10% on the printed price. The rate of sales tax is 8%, and then we need to find the VAT paid by the shopkeeper and the total amount that the consumer pays for that washing machine. So here the printed price is 18,000 and the discount price is 20%. The cost price for the shopkeeper is 18,000 minus 20% discount of 18,000. So which is 18,000 minus 20 divided by 100 into 18,000. So if you simplify this, we'll get 18,000 minus 3,600. So if you subtract this, we'll get rupees 14,400. So cost price for the shopkeeper is 14,400. And given the sales tax is 8%, so we need to find the 8% of 14 point, yep, 14,400. So sales tax paid by the shopkeeper, which is 8% of 14,400. So 8% means 8 by 100 into 14,400. So we'll get 8 times of 144. So if you multiply 8 times of 144, we'll get 1,152. So this is the sales tax paid by the shopkeeper. Now the shopkeeper sells to the consumer with 10% discount. So the discount price, discount for the a consumer or the customer is 10%. So selling price to the customer or consumer is 18,000 is the printed price. So 18,000 minus 10% of that 18,000, because here we have just 10% discount for the customer. So 10% can be written as 10 by 100 into 18,000. So if you simplify this, we'll get 18,000 minus 1,800. So if you subtract this, we'll get rupees 16,200. So selling price to the customer is 16,200 and the tax is again 8%. So sales tax is 8%. Sales tax paid by the customer is 8% of this 16,200. So 8 by 100 into 16,200. So we'll get 8 times of 162, which is rupees 1,296. So the first part is the VAT paid by the shopkeeper. The VAT paid by the shopkeeper. He will pay, the amount is 1,296 minus 1,152. So he will pay just 144 rupees, because he will get tax, he will collect tax from the customer side, which is 1296 rupees. And then the next part is the total amount paid by the consumer or customer, which is selling price 16,200 minus, sorry, plus the sales tax for the consumer. So if you add this, we'll get 17,496. So the total amount paid by the consumer or the customer is 17,496 rupees. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.